guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this chamomile body butter. It's incredibly moisturizing and relaxing at the same time. I think you're really going to like it. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course, the star ingredient in this recipe is chamomile. So we'll need 2 cups of dry chamomile flowers, 4 ounces of jojoba oil or any other carrier oil of your choice. We'll also need 2 ounces of mango butter, 1 ounce of coconut butter, and a mason jar. And I'll also have all the ingredients listed in the description box below. So to get the beautiful, relaxing scent of chamomile, the first thing we want to do is infuse the flowers. So put the dry flowers into a mason jar and then cover them with a jojoba oil or whatever carrier oil you'd like. And now we're going to place the jar into a pot of water and let the oil and the flowers infuse slowly on low heat for about 4 hours. And every once in a while, you want to gently shake the jar just to make sure the oil coats all the flowers. After the time is up, you want to take the jar out and I'll filter out the flowers using a strainer. And this honestly smells absolutely amazing. The scent is just so calming, it's so relaxing. So moving on to the actual body butter, we're going to melt the mango and the coconut butter using a double boiler system. So you guys already know my little setup. I just put a bowl on top of a saucepan with water inside and let the butters melt on low heat. Once they're completely melted, remove the bowl from the heat and add 3 ounces of the infused oil we made earlier. You can also add a few drops of chamomile essential oil if you want a stronger scent, but I personally like the subtle scent it has already. So now use a handheld mixer and whip so everything is thoroughly combined. And then place this in the fridge until the mixture is just slightly firm. And if you accidentally forget about it and it turns rock hard, that's okay, just let it sit at room temperature until it turns soft again. And now you want to whip the mixture until it basically doubles in size and it turns nice and fluffy. And I have to say, this is my favorite part. I just love seeing the transformation of it turning into an actual body butter. I think it's so cool. So now you can cut a small corner of a bag and squeeze the butter into a jar. Or you can simply scoop it in, it's your choice. And once you do that, the body butter is complete. Mango and coconut butter are both very light and non-greasy, so if you typically stay away from body butters because you find them kind of oily, I think you'll really like this combination, so definitely give it a try. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more homemade skincare, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!